Hey there. Want to enjoy all of SoFi's benefits without any monthly charges? Avoiding SoFi account maintenance fees is easy because they pride themselves on being fee-free for their core products. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's what you need to know. SoFi Money, checking/savings, SoFi Invest, stock and ETF trading, and SoFi's personal loan products have no account fees, no minimum balance fees, and no overdraft fees. They make money on interest margins and optional premium services, not nickel-and-diming their members. The key is to use their no-fee core accounts and be aware that certain actions, like outgoing wire transfers or paper statements, may incur a one-time charge. My crucial pro tip? Stick to electronic statements and transfers. To ensure a completely fee-free experience, opt for e-statements and use standard ACH transfers instead of wires when possible. This keeps your banking with SoFi 100% cost-free. That's how you benefit from a modern financial platform designed to keep more money in your pocket. How important are no fees when you choose a bank or financial app? Essential, or just a nice bonus? Tell me below. For more guides on fee-free finance, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.